Hi YouTube, my name is Nathan. I've been living in Vietnam for 2 years now, and one of the reasons why I've lived here for so long is because of Vietnamese coffee. And in today's video, I'd love to show you how to make your own delicious Vietnamese coffee. Let's get started. So to make your own Vietnamese coffee, you're going to need 4 different things. First thing that you'll need is your Vietnamese coffee maker, which is called a phin. This is made of 4 parts. The first part is the underfin. So the underfin goes on top of your glass like that. The next part is your fin, or the main body of the coffee maker. And then you have the press, which goes into the main body. And then you also have the lid, which sits on the top. Other things that you'll need are, of course, the coffee and also condensed milk if you're making Caphe Sua. And then you want to add a generous amount of coffee to your Caphe phin. Very carefully, and gently pour the water onto the grounded coffee. Next, you want to apply the filter and lightly dab down to compress the coffee. After you've left your coffee to breathe for about 30 seconds or so, then you're ready to pour on the rest of the water. After a few minutes, your coffee will be finished, and you want to take off the Caphe phin before you can get started. So take the lid off and then put the rest of the coffee maker on top of the lid. And then give it a stir. If you want your coffee hot, you can have it as it is. If you want a Caphe Sua, then this is the time when you would put the ice in. So take your ice and add it to your Caphe Sua. And give it a mix. Or I should say, give it a stir. And then you're ready to enjoy your Caphe Sua. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye-bye.